Okay, now see, let's start. Points. So the vector data models composed of vertices and paths, right? So the points, vertical points are simply x and y coordinates, okay? And generally they are latitude and longitude with a spatial reference frame, right? And when features are too small to be represented as polygon, points are used. Okay, means see, suppose this is a area, geographical area, right? And this area represent some objects, right? It may be any river, building, or dam, anything. So you can represent this by using the points, right? It represented as a polygons or points can be used. Fine. So, for example, if you can't see city boundary lines on a global scale, in this case, maps often use points to display cities. Right. So this is about the points. Second representation style is lines. So vector lines connect each vertices with the path, right? And basically, you're connecting dots in the set orders, and it become vector line with each dot represent a vertex. So line usually represents features that are linear in nature. So what is linear in nature? Like road, continuous highways, right? They are linear in nature. So this line object uh, is used to represent those objects whose features are linear, right? Either it is a road or it may be any type of building, bada building हो सकता है. So see the examples. It is rivers, roads, pipelines, right, as a vector lines, and most busier highways, etc., etc. So this is the example of lines. The next is polygon and or areas. This is called polygon. See, shape something like this. This is a polygon. Fine. So when you join a set of vertices in particular order and close it, right? See this diagram: one, two, three. These are the vertices, right? And I connect all these vertices and close it. This is a vector polygon feature, right? When you create a polygon, first and last coordinate pairs are the same. See, यहाँ से I begin with this point, तो ये same है. Fine. So cartographs use polygons to show boundaries and they will have an area. For example, building footprints have has sequence footage and agriculture fields have acres. तो जब हम लोग एग्रीकल्चर लैंड दिखाते हैं, राइट, यू कैन यूज दिस टाइप ऑफ पॉलीगॉन, राइट. और कोई ये है अब बिल्डिंग का फुटप्रिंट स्क्वायर टाइप में है या कुछ लैंड का एग्जांपल देना है, सो यू कैन यूज दिस पॉलीगॉन्स. और दिस इज वन टाइप ऑफ शेप. नेक्स्ट इज रास्टर डेटा मॉडल. Next is mechanism is raster. So what is the first we done with this? I think
First is types of
no vector data model. This is the first.
data
This is the
model,
first point. Vector data
vector
model,
model.
where we represent lines, polygons, then different type of points,
Points,
lines, polygons. Yeah. Next.
lines,
And the second point we are going to learn now, raster data
raster
model.
data model.
Right, in GIS, raster is made up of pixel. Right, it is also called grid cells. Grid cells, it's like this. This is a grid. ये वाला, right? Yes, grid cells. Fine. And they are usually regularly spaced and square, but they don't have to be. Right. Okay, fine. This is a square, but it's not compulsory कि हर बार वो square आ सकता है. Fine. So raster often looked pixeled. This is a pixel, that means first pixel, second pixel, third pixel, like this. And each pixel has its own value and class. So all pixels are classified. They come with their own x and y axis. So raster data model consists of two categories. One is discrete and another is continuous. So a discrete raster have distinct themes and or categories. कि जो discrete rasters क्या है, वो एक specific distinct theme में आएगा. For example, a grid cell represent a land cover class or a soil type. ठीक है, एक कोई स्पेसिफिक लैंड है, वो दिखा रहे तो सॉइल टाइप का, स्पेसिफिक सॉइल टाइप का लैंड है, वो दिखा सकते हैं बाय यूजिंग द डिस्क्रीट. इन अदर वर्ड, ईच लैंड कवर सेल्स is defined and fill the entire area of the cell. So discrete data usually consist of integers to represent classes. तो discrete data क्या है, ये इंटीजर्स दिखाता है, and there is no points वगैरह ऐसा कुछ. integer values, for example, uh, a value might represent urban area and second value represent the forest and so on. So this is the discrete nature of data. And second type may be continuous. Okay.
Give me 1 second.
Yeah.